We're gonna ride till we fall. Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Man, I can't get my seat situated here. Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott, guys. Today we're checking out this 6-liter humidifier for your bedroom or a large room. So let's go ahead and go over a couple features for you guys. Up to 50 hours it can be run. It's got a 6-liter tank, aromatherapy, auto shut off, 3 mist levels, display off for nighttime. It's got 360-degree rotatable nozzle and set timer. Let's unbox. All right, guys, this is it. So this is the tank. I want to point out, this is the plug, so you do plug this in. I want to point out at the bottom here is where you put your essential oil. You just have this little tray. Normally there's a little filter that goes inside this tray, so we'll see if we can find it. Maybe not. Maybe you just put the oil in the little tray and you slide it back in. We'll see and check this out. Give you a manual little cleaning brush as well. Make sure you take off all this tape that they have around here, these little pieces of tape. So all that comes off, and see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, first of all, you lift up this piece here. You put your water in the tank. So you put it down inside this tank in here, the reservoir. You don't put it in this little hole here. Don't do that, guys. Down in here is the component parts as well. You don't really got to mess with anything down in there, so you can leave that be. So basically, take this up. You can carry this with you. It's not going to leak any water unless you try and put it down the center hole. Don't put it down there. Put the water in the tank. It's got a little indicator. Don't overfill it. Just fill it to the max. And then put everything together. We're going to go ahead and test this out for you guys. But on the front here, you have a touch screen. Well, not touch screen, but touch buttons. So you would press all the buttons. You can set the temperature. It's beeping because there's no water in it right now. So you have all these different modes for temperature. Check out your manual for more information on that. But we're going to fill it up with water and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so just as a little demonstration for you guys here. Alright, water is in. Okay, so here we go. So yeah, it almost looks like smoke, but it's not. So let's place this on, just like that, and you can rotate the nozzle however you want. So this is just mist, and that helps humidify the air. If you guys can see, you got lots of settings on there. It's not blinking in person. That's just, you know, how the camera's showing. So you got different mist levels. So now you have it on 1 where you barely see it. Number 3, check that out. So that is definitely pretty cool. It's almost, I kind of like it with it open. It's kind of neat just having it open. But yeah, you know, you can put your essential oils in it very well. Definitely going to work good for a medium-sized room, some large rooms as well. Pretty awesome.